welcome back to my channel. I am Court Love and I am excited to be back with a brand new video. So as y'all see by the title, y'all can tell what type of video this is going to be. So I've been stalking a brand by the name of Brow Goat. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'll put it on the screen so y'all can see. So I've been stalking that brand for a while, and I just love like everything. I love brows. Like on my last video, I was complaining about my brows being so thin and I don't really have. I wanted to buy some henna brow and check it out and see if I could create some more fuller looking brows with the henna. So anyway, ordered and I got a starter henna brow starter kit. So in the starter kit we have the stain remover, we have, let's see, this is the container like to put the actual henna in, so that was nice. I like the actual henna. And this is in the color, I think this is, oh, the color black. Then also she sent me another henna packet, and this is in dark brown. So really what you could do is just mix the two colors so the black can give that dark brown a more pigmented type of a darker look on you. Because if you're like a dark skinned girl just like me, you would want your brows to stand out and be bolder. So I suggest that you add, like when I do my tutorial, I'm going to add just a little bit of black into it. So yes, and this is for you to shampoo your brows. I don't have the shampoo. I'm not sure if she offers the shampoo on her website or not. She probably does. I probably just wasn't looking, but my face is well, I cleansed it before she applied the henna, the angle side, and then this part is to apply the white paste to outline, to map out your brows for the desired look that you want. And this is what it looks like. I tried to test it out just a little bit just to see the consistency. And also I also this didn't come with it, but this is the stylo pen, and you can just map out your brow. I wanted to see which one was going to work best, so I ended up using the paste that it came with because I had a hard time with the pen working for me, even though, like I said, my skin is well cleansed. It's gonna take me some time to kind of figure out how to maneuver and work the pen. The paste works. This is the shade that I want. This is usually how I wear my brows. So I suggest if you want to attempt this is the consistency that you want your henna to be, because I read the directions prior to. So not too runny, but you know, kind of like a paste. Add my tail first and work my way to the ending, well, the beginning of my brow. There's nothing coming off. Well, I had a little residue right here. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on IG at I am Court Love, and also follow me on TikTok at _ Court Love. And make sure y'all comment down below and like this video. Tell me how y'all feel about these brows, because I am really feeling it. Okay, so I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Take care.